Hey everyone, Christine here of Christine Olivia Photography, and today I'll be taking my daughter's second year birthday photos. I'm going to be using this Kate backdrop. It's a floral design, kind of like a watercolor. So I have this one, this is the packaging. I'll be using a 7x5. I will also be using a white wood rubber mat, also by Kate. I'll add the links and descriptions below, as well as my affiliate link and also a discount code. Now, let's get started. First things first, I'm going to throw this in the dryer for 15 minutes with a wet towel and get the studio space set up and get ready for my daughter's second birthday photos. And like always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be using my Nikon Z7 camera with my 85mm lens. It is a Sigma Art. I'm also going to test the water resistance of the rubber mat because I like to use a lot of fresh flowers in my sessions. And of course, we're dealing with kids here, so sometimes there's spills. So I want to show you all how easy it is to clean up on the Kate rubber mats. I love using the Kate rubber mats. As you can see, it has little grips so it stays in place. And now let's go ahead and test this dropping of the water. And of course, super easy cleanup. All you gotta do is take a nice dry towel, go to the spot where there's any water. You can soak it up, wipe it dry, and it goes away right away. I will be using a 7x5 backdrop, and the rubber mat is also a 7x5, so it fits the edges perfectly. I'll only be using the one light to the right with the large softbox, so I'm not using the one to the left. That's just there where it usually stays. So one light portraits today. I also love how easy it is to store everything. I fold all my backdrops, I store them so I can see the picture on top, and then the rubber mats, you roll them right up and then you can put them right wherever you can in your space. And here are my final images. I am so happy and pleased with these. My daughter's second birthday photos are absolutely precious and perfect. Thanks, Kate Backdrop. And of course, I had to add a screaming picture. And that's a wrap. Thanks for joining in, and like always, give that video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye, everyone.